Today I am going to revise the two chapters, understanding words better and synonyms and antonyms, along with that something else also if we get time. But you will all close the book and I will be calling you name by name. I will be calling you and you will have to answer whatever question I ask you. Okay, the first question is for Shuman. Shuman Ghosh, you tell me the antonym of, tell me the antonym of grant. Tell me the antonym of grant. Only Suman will answer, nobody else. Tell me the antonym of grant. Next question is for Ayantik Shamanto. Ayantik, no. Because this class doesn't have anything that allows me to hear your answer. So, you will be typing your answer in the chat box. Okay. Ayantik, your question is, tell me the two meanings. One is it's very easy actually. Yeah, soul and soul, S-O-L-E, soul. Yes, you are right, Shuman. The opposite of grant is withhold. Withhold is one word. Okay, one word, withhold. Okay. So, and Ayantik, you will tell me the two meanings, R-E-I-G-N, rain, and R-A-I-N, rain. Rain we all know. So, tell me the meaning of R-E-I-G-N, rain. And make a sentence with it. Next question is for Mona Lisa. Mona Lisa, tell me the synonym of disgrace. Synonym of disgrace. Tell me a synonym of disgrace, Mona Lisa. Dishonor, very good. Okay. Next question is for Tanisha. Tanisha, tell me the synonym of significant. Tell me the synonym of significant. Significant. The reign of Samudragupta was very peaceful. Very good, Antik, very good. Significant synonym is important. Okay. Next is, Mona Lisa, I have asked you. So, Sakshi and Sania, you two are left. Sania, you tell me the antonym of knowledge. Antonym of knowledge. Sania, tell me the antonym of knowledge. Ignorance, very good. And Shakshi, have I asked you? I don't think I have. So, Sakshi, tell me the synonym of impartial. Tell me the synonym of impartial. Significant, important. Yes, it is correct. Sakshi, tell me the synonym of impartial. Impartial. Tell me the synonym of impartial. Neutral. Very good. Okay. Now, let me ask a few more. You will have to make sentences. I will call out by name. Antik has already made a sentence. Mona Lisa, make a sentence with B-A-L-E, bail. B-A-L-E, bail. First tell me the meaning and then tell me the sentence. Okay. Sania, tell me the meaning. Tell me the meaning of BAIL, bail, and then make a sentence with it. Shakshi, tell me the meaning of CITE, site, and write a sentence with it. CITE, site, make a sentence with it. I asked Mona Lisa to make a sentence with BALE, bail, and I asked Sania to make a sentence with BAIL, bail. So, Shakshi, I have told you to make a sentence with CITE, site. Tanisha, make a sentence with SIGHT, site. Shuman, you will simply tell me the meaning of dose, D-O-Z-E, dose. Suman, you will tell me the meaning of D-O-Z-E, dose. Okay. Next, we will proceed to some other chapter. D-O-Z-E, dose, and make a sentence with it. Okay. So, let us see how you answer. Then we are going to practice from tenses. I think we did yesterday prepositions, adverbs, active and passive is also there, right? So, let me give you some work from active passive voice. Active and passive voice is there in our syllabus. So, let us practice from active and passive voice. Let's see how you have answered. Rewrite the following sentences by putting the verbs given against them in the appropriate passive voice form. Okay. First of all, let me see how you have written. The sight of the mountain was lovely. Bail, security or money for getting rid of jail, correct? The judge allowed the prisoner to be released on bail. Very good, Mona Lisa. Bail, bundle of cloth, bundle and collective noun. The little girl was carrying a bale of sticks. Carrying, give a Y. Doze is a light sleep. A beggar dozed off in the shade of a tree. It will be dozed off. Okay, if you have written this sentence, it will be dozed off. Sania, bail, security. The judge did not allow the accused thief to be released on bail. Okay, fine. I text also sites. Shakshi, what have you written? Yes, you will make a sentence with sight. Okay. Sakshi, make a sentence with sight. You have written just something which is not a proper sentence. So, write it. Okay, good. So, please do this exercise which I have given you of active and passive voice. She dashed up by her aunt and the word given in bracket is bring. So, it will be bring. What is the passive form of bring if it is in the simple past tense? So, it will be was brought. Okay, she was brought up by her aunt. Was brought, not bought. Bought is the past form of buy. Brought is the past form of bring. Okay, she was brought up. Number 2, yes, correct, Mona Lisa. Number 2, invitation cards. You can write was sent to all her friends, or you can even write will be sent. Since the tense is not mentioned, you can make it in the passive in the active, whatever suits you. Okay. So these are the answers. Let me tell the sentence once more. She was brought up by her aunt. Invitation cards have been sent to all her friends. You will be invited to the feast. You will be invited to the feast. The result will be declared on Monday or was declared on Monday. Both are correct. They were alarmed at the report of the gun. We were shocked at his failure. The word shock has not come for some reason. Skype has actually changed it into a smiley. So anyway, the word is shock for the last one. So it will be we were shocked at his failure. You can even write we are shocked at his failure. That doesn't make it a wrong sentence. Okay. So if the tense is not given, you can write it in any tense. Okay. So this is a little bit of practice from active and passive voice. Let me ask you a few more. Change the voice of the following sentences. Question number 1. This ticket will be given to you by the manager. Question number 1. This ticket will be given to you by the manager. First of all, tell me in which voice is it, and then change the voice. Okay. This ticket will be given to you by the manager. First of all, tell me in which voice is it? It is in the passive voice, right. So, you will have to change the voice. The manager will give you this ticket, correct, Mona Lisa. The manager will give you this ticket. Number 2, why have you done this? Why have you done this? What voice is it? Active voice. So, the answer will be, you have to change it into passive voice. What will the answer be? Why have you done this? Why has this been done? Because this is singular. Okay, why has this been done? Okay, question mark. Number 3, why has this been done? This is question number 2. Question number 3 is, a car ran over the dog. Yes, it is correct, Tanisha. A car ran over the dog. So, change it into passive. A car ran over the dog. First of all, you will identify the tense. What tense is it? And then you will identify the form of the tense. Past tense, simple past. A car ran over the dog, simple past. So, what is the change in passive voice for simple past? For simple past, the change in passive voice is was or were plus V3. Okay. So, according to the subject, it will be changed. The dog was run over by a car. The dog was run over by a car. Number 4, we must obey the laws of the land. Now, we, if the agent is we can omit it. Okay. So, you will simply write, the laws of the land must be obeyed. The laws of the land must be obeyed. Number 5, by whom was the fair inaugurated? So, this is in which voice? Number 5 question. Yes, must be obeyed, ed, obeyed. Always remember, it should be in the third form of the verb. Okay, so it will be obeyed. So tell me this sentence. By whom was the fair inaugurated? Of what voice is it? It is in the passive voice, right? So what will be the answer in the active voice? Who inaugurated the fair? Very good. Who inaugurated the fair? Number 6, Gopal stole her butter. This is also in the active voice, so it will be changed into the passive voice. Her butter was stolen by Gopal. Okay. So I think all of you have got every rules. By this time you are very expert in changing active and passive voice rules. Practice as much as possible. Practice from the book, from outside the book, but if you study all the rules, remember all the rules, it will be easy for you. Okay, so all the best for your exams. If you have any problems, even before the exam, you can, that means even if our classes are not going on, you can ask me in e-portal. Okay, bye students.